Alright guys, it is cruise-in season again, and I actually really kind of forgot that locally we had a regular Sunday cruise-in, and as I was going home today, spotted it, so popped over. Guess people selling some stuff, cars are still coming in. I'm not going to hang out too long, but figure a quick video of what is here so far, and yeah, see what's out here. Always good to walk around, see some cars. I know most of you know I like Japanese cars. That's what I kind of trend to, but there's something about the beautiful lines of, let's say, like this old, I'm guessing Chevrolet, I think, you know, or some of these Corvettes and things. I mean, you can't deny the power, the beautiful body lines. So yeah, so let's check out some cars, and yeah, thanks for tuning in.